Ever wondered how old the water you drink is? It might surprise you to know that the water in your glass has been on quite a journey, possibly for millions of years. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of water's age and tracing its incredible journey through the Earth's water cycle. Let's uncover the secrets of the water you drink. To understand the age of water, we first need to grasp the water cycle. It's a continuous process that moves water through various stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and runoff. It all starts when water from oceans, lakes, and rivers evaporates into the atmosphere. This water vapor then condenses to form clouds. Eventually, it falls back to Earth as precipitation, rain or snow. From there, it flows into rivers, lakes, and groundwater, where it can be stored for varying lengths of time before it's eventually used by people. The age of the water we drink can vary greatly depending on its source. Let's look at a few examples. Water in glaciers and ice sheets can be thousands of years old. Glaciers store water that fell as snow long before it became ice. This water can remain trapped in ice for millennia. Groundwater, found in aquifers beneath the Earth's surface, can also be ancient. Some groundwater is recharged slowly over thousands or even millions of years. The age of this water depends on how deep it is and how long it has been in the aquifer. Surface water in rivers and lakes is typically much younger. It's part of the active part of the water cycle, moving through these systems over a much shorter period, often from weeks to months. Once water is collected from these sources, it's treated and purified before it reaches our taps. This treatment process doesn't change the water's age, but ensures it's safe for consumption. In urban areas, the water you drink might come from a mix of sources. Cities often draw water from rivers, lakes, and reservoirs, which can be relatively young compared to groundwater. Water is stored in tanks and distributed through pipes. The time it spends in these systems can affect its age. While the water itself may be relatively young, the time it spends in storage can add a few extra days to its journey. Interestingly, bottled water can vary in age depending on its source. Some bottled water is sourced from springs and can be quite old, while others are more recent. Scientists use several methods to determine the age of water. One common method is to analyze the presence of certain isotopes, such as tritium or carbon-14, which decay over time and can provide clues about water's age. Tritium, for example, is a radioactive isotope of hydrogen that decays over time. By measuring its concentration, scientists can estimate how long the water has been out of contact with the atmosphere. For groundwater, scientists might use methods like carbon-14 dating to estimate its age, helping to understand how long it has been in the aquifer. Understanding the age of water is important for managing water resources and ensuring quality. Older groundwater can be less susceptible to contamination, but might have higher levels of certain minerals. Knowing the age of water helps in sustainable water management, especially in areas where water resources are scarce. It can also guide conservation efforts and inform policies for protecting our water sources. So the next time you take a sip of water, remember that it's part of a remarkable journey through the Earth's water cycle. Whether it's ancient glacier melt or fresh rainwater, every drop has its own story. If you enjoyed learning about the age of water and its incredible journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating content. Have any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below.